Ooh, out of focus. We're at one of our favorite places, even though we've never been here before. One of our favorite places is Route 66, and this is Route 66. This is just a part of Route 66 we haven't been to yet. We're in Kingman, Arizona, as you can tell by the title of the video, at the Route 66 Museum. Sorry, some cool stuff, including a pregnant mannequin, and we're gonna go check them out and see some cool Route 66 stuff. Ready? Ready? Talon, you ready? I think we're ready.
You make me understand this place in a whole different way. You make me wanna live this life to the fullest, to the fullest.
Here we have a Prairie Schooner. And this guy here is, well, I assume he's the one who did that to her. Yeah, she's pregnant. They called them Prairie Schooners because they were crossing the prairie in a wagon, kind of like you would cross an ocean in a ship. So, Prairie Schooner. Did you ever read the book Great Giraffe? We had to read it in high school. Also a movie too, great movie. So this is kind of a scene from the Great Giraffe because that was set during the Depression, and Route 66 was a main migrant highway. And there's a lot going on here. You hear Shelley laughing because, well,
it's her face in addition to what she's made.
Okay, just so we're clear on our time frame here. Oh, I just dropped you. We are here. Today is the 21st of October, so it's close to Halloween. And they have some Halloween decorations around here.
I'm pretty sure that they put one in here.
At least we're thinking this is a Halloween decoration. So let's get a better look here at this guy here, and he's got his whole family, all their stuff. This is hotels during the Depression right here. Then you got Mama here. She just made a pie.
She doesn't look happy about her pie.
She doesn't look happy about her
messed
pie
with her
at
pie.
all. And here's her pie. I think we found the thumbnail for this video. The floor here is really creaky. This building was built in 1909. It is the oldest, what did it say, Shelley? This building is the oldest
Concrete structure from
reinforced concrete structure.
From 1909 to 1938 or 9.
It was a power generation plant. That's why they call it the powerhouse. Now it's a museum and visitor center. We skipped the movie because
it's an hour long and we have things to do.
Yep. So now we're in the electric car museum. And we're whispering because there are some people watching the movie and we don't want to be rude to them. And the first thing we run across here is what?
I think it's Willie Nelson's golf cart, but it's Willie's golf cart. That I think I read before it was Willie Nelson's golf cart.
The Rolls Royce golf cart. This is Waylon Jennings' Mercedes golf cart. And that's Willie Nelson's Rolls Royce golf cart. This is the end of this museum. We got a couple more to go. Some cool stuff outside. It's time to get vertical. I think we're gonna get some high altitude visions of this place.
Clearance is only 8 foot, so you can't bring your RV in here. Just for passenger cars. And they even put the line right, but go right down the middle. Right on through. Move forward before opening the door.
was the Kingman's Visitor Center and Route 66 Museum. I just saw on the sign over here, we are a couple of weeks early for Kingman Fest. November 5th and 6th. Not sure what Kingman Fest is, but it sounds fun. Now, we're gonna go reprioritize what we had planned. We may be doing something else completely different. But you'll figure it out. You ready? Let's go figure it out.
When I first saw her, a black cat crossed my trail. Bad news and high heels made me go off the rails. But one look at her, she's oh so fine. I know I've got to make her mine. She's just my kind, I can't get her off my mind. She's my kind of woman, I need a soul. Yeah, my kind of woman, I can't let her go. 5 feet of dynamite will keep me dancing through the night. You know, a black cat got nothing on a lucky man. Saturday night. Saturday night. New shirt, new shoes, no room for oversight. Well, I'll be cooler than James Dean, and she'll be hotter than Marilyn. When there's electric in the air, you better be prepared. She's my kind of woman, I need a soul.
We love Route 66. We love Kingman. Oatman was a lot of fun. The problem with Oatman though is we got there right as everything was closing, so we really didn't get a chance to see anything. So we're gonna have to make a trip back. So thank you guys so much for watching. And if you'd like to help us help Christian-based veterans charities, check out the links and the different ways you can help us in the description below. Becoming a YouTube or Patreon member, you get not only to help these charities, but you also get exclusive behind-the-scenes content, bloopers, and real-time updates. And may your next journey be an epic adventure. Bye.